Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tay Gregoire. This is my channel all about my natural hair. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I just wanted to go ahead and remind you guys, go ahead and hit the red button so that you'll be notified every single time that I make a video. But today's video is actually going to be very exciting and it's actually going to be a giveaway. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video so that you can go ahead and enter the giveaway. So today I'm actually going to be reviewing the new Eco Styler Gold Gel. This gel I actually purchased from the Eco Styler website for $18, so it is a bit pricey, but I am going to be giving one away. I've also been seeing some bloggers posting stating that they were able to find some in stores for a much lower price, but I'm basically going to be doing a one product wash and go and also like a first impression / review of the product. So it's the Eco Styler olive oil and shea butter, black castor and flaxseed oil gel. It says it has a 10 maximum shine, 10 max hold. It's for all hair types. It's alcohol free. And this gel is supposed to be really moisturizing. I've actually watched a lot of videos on it. This is how it looks. I've watched a lot of reviews on it and I'm really excited to go ahead and give it a try. So I'm actually gonna be starting on freshly washed and conditioned, and I did like a quick deep conditioning treatment on my hair. So this is my hair in its naked state. So the first thing I like to do, I like to section my hair into 2 sections. Postpartum hair loss has left my hair kind of all jacked up, but this side is actually thicker than this side, but so it dries out faster. But basically the first step that I'm going to be doing, this is only going to be like the only thing I'm applying to my hair besides the Eco Styler product because I want to try it just by itself. I'm going to be grabbing my spray bottle. This is a DIY moisture mix that I like to make. It's awesome. I've been using it for a while and I'm basically just going to re-wet my hair because it does dry out pretty fast, and I want to apply this product on like pretty damp hair. Not necessarily soaking wet, but I do want it to be pretty damp in the back, so I'm actually going to section this off when I start applying the product. So I'm going to take a small section from the back of my hair and I'm going to clip this side of it up. Spray a little bit more of the moisture mix on my hair and detangle. This is like my new favorite detangling brush. It's the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. And it's like absolutely amazing. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's literally just like gliding through my hair with no resistance. It's seriously amazing. I love this brush. So basically I just wet the section with my moisture mix and brushed it through, and this is how my hair looks prior to the application of the gel. And this is how it looks. It's actually gold, which is really cool. Oh, it smells really good, like super clean. It smells really good. So I'm gonna take a small amount, about this much, so maybe like a dime size amount. Just rub it through my hands and apply it to this small section. Okay, that's definitely not enough, and it kind of feels, the consistency kind of reminds me of the Eco Styler black castor and flaxseed oil gel, which I actually do really like, but I find with that product I'm not able to mix it with a lot of things. It causes some flaking, so hopefully I don't have the issue with this. But I'm gonna add some more to my ends because my ends need all the extra help. And I'm just gonna keep like rubbing it in. I'm gonna divide this section in half and then do the top section. And make sure whenever y'all are like applying any products to your hair, please don't forget your roots, because if you have roots like mine, they will frizz up. So I'm adding a little bit more to my roots, rubbing that through. And then the last thing I'm basically gonna do to define my curls is brush it through again with the detangling brush. Okay, this brush, as you can see, it does clump my curls together, and this gel seems to really have defined them as well. Like, it looks really pretty. It has like nice little Shirley temples towards the end, but I don't want to touch it too much because I don't want it to frizz. So I'm basically just gonna repeat this same process throughout the rest of my hair. guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and diffused my hair off camera, and I also just like picked a little bit at my roots and scrunched my ends with some grapeseed oil. I just did it off camera just to make it a little bit faster for y'all. But I basically just wanted to let you guys know my final thoughts on the product and show you guys my results. So first, I'm just gonna go ahead and start by showing you guys exactly how my hair looks. As y'all can see, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but my hair is super shiny. It's super soft. Like, I wish y'all could just like squeeze it and feel how soft it is. My hair is super soft. It's very shiny and it's very defined. In comparison to the olive oil eco styler, as well as the black castor and black seed oil gel, the eco styler gel, I definitely prefer this one. It feels a lot more moisturizing, and it also didn't leave a really bad gel cast. It leave my hair crunchy. There's only a couple of pieces towards the front where it did get a little bit crunchy, and I scrunched it out with some oil just to break the cast. And that was actually a user error, because I probably applied too much to that section when I was shingling my hair. But overall, my results look amazing, honestly. Like, now, I do want to discuss the steep price for this product, because I'm not really understanding why it cost $18. Would I purchase it again at that price? Honestly, probably not. It's a great gel, don't get me wrong. I definitely don't feel like it's a max 10 hold. It honestly feels like a 5 or a 6. But it's very moisturizing. I didn't have any flaking issues, and it left my hair very shiny. I like how it feels, I like how it smells. However, I wouldn't spend $18 on it again. Now, I did see some bloggers saying they were able to find it like in beauty supply stores for like around the normal price point for eco stylers. So if I do find it in like Sally's or something like that later on, I will repurchase it, but I won't be repurchasing it at $18. But I am gonna be giving one away to you guys, which is awesome. Other than that, like, my final thoughts are, it's really a great gel. It's great gel from Eco Styler. I really like the ingredients in it. It's super moisturizing. Like I said, it's a soft hold, but it is a hold. Like, it does hold my hair. Like, I can feel that this wash and go should last, and it's just very soft. Like, I really love how it looks. If I had to rate this gel on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it around a 7 or 8. It's a great gel. I love the gel, but like I said, the price is a little bit steep for me. So I am gonna go ahead and get to the giveaway section of the video now. So I do have a brand new unopened Eco Styler gel that I purchased from their website when I purchased my other one, just so that I can give it away to one of my subscribers. I just wanted to thank y'all basically for sticking around, just like continuing to support me and my videos, for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel and sharing my videos with friends and family. I really do appreciate it. And I'm almost at 25,000 subscribers, but I just wanted to do a small giveaway before I do my bigger giveaway for that. So I wanted to give away this gel to one of my loyal subscribers. So it's gonna be 3 rules to enter the giveaway. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You have to be subscribed. That's the #1 rule. You also have to follow me on Instagram. I do understand that a lot of people don't have Instagram, but you can definitely make one. It's completely free. Even if you don't want to use it, follow me on Instagram. So that's the 2nd rule. And also leave me a comment down below, basically just letting me know what you would like to see on my channel and what videos you enjoy. So those are the 3 rules. Sunday the 25th, I will be announcing the giveaway winner via Instagram. So I will tag you on an Instagram post, I'll DM you, ask you for your address, and then I will let you know when the item ships and provide you with a tracking number so that you can receive the item. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Also, hit the bell so that you're notified every single time that I upload a video and you won't miss anything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.